Today we will see about the model 3 in retail management. The sources of merchandise. Manufacturer and primary producer. These are the sources of a merchandise. In that, the first manufacturer and a primary producer, second wholesaler, third importers, fourth agents, fifth private brands are these are sources of merchandise. Let's go one by one. Manufacturer and the primary producer are the first source of the merchandisation who produce the product and gives to the end user known as a customer. Wholesaler is a link between the manufacturer and the retailer. He plays a vital role in this retail management because he buys a bulk quantity of product from a manufacturer and gives n number of retailer who's in his contacts. Importers, they are the usually linked with the range of merchandise and carried to the extent services large above. These are the importers have great role in the overseas market because they import our goods and sells in the overseas market. Agents, these are the mediator do not carry stock at their own risk. Agents are the individual or it can be said as a company who did not buy the product of a manufacturer at his own risk, but he gives an wholesaler or a importer within their contacts to the manufacturer to buy their products and plays important role and they charge a commission for it. Private brands, they are called store brand. These products are developed in the market by the retailer itself. They provide a higher margin to the retailer and manufacturer and the brand of a national brand. These are the private banks who purchase the product from the manufacturer and sell with their label of a brand to the market with a higher margin of a profit. Let's take an example of Zara, Bing, Human. These are the private brands and they sell their products with a high margin. Organization, the buying process. In that there is a process of buying also. First, need recognition. Second, general need descriptions. Product specialization, supplier research. Proposal solicitations, supplier selections, order routine specialization, and performance review. These are the process of buying of merchandisation. Buying cycle, again recognition of need, search of information, evaluation of alternatives, purchase decision, and post purchase decision. Let's see in detail. Organized buying process. Need of recognition, the need is recognized by the product as we saw in our case of demand. The need should be recognized about the product and its demand by its own manufacturer or the producer. Second, general need of description, why it is needed and what is the use of that product. Fourth, product specification. The product should be specified about the uses and how to use. It's known as a product specification. Supplier search. If you are manufacturing the product, there should be a supply also of that product. So supplier search plays an important role to dispatch the product. Fifth, the proposal solicitation. As a few number of component suppliers are selected, a bid request is sent and so that it can apply the order. The bid request, the bid indicates आपके न्यूज़पेपर में आता ना bid, it's just like an auction about the tender. Fifth, supplier selection. After this you should able to need to go to the supplier or select the supplier whom you can able to dispatch your product. Seventh, order routine specification. The order should be in a routine way so that it will be easy to produce and sell to the market. Performance review. After each and everything you need to have a performance review of the product so that it will help you to generate an revenue. Buying cycle. In the same, the recognition of need, why the product is needed to buy by the customer. Search of information about the product, description of the product it indicates. For evaluation of alternative, there should be a not much alternative which you are producing or selling the product. Fourth, the purchase decision. Why the customer will be purchasing your product, it should be able to convince them. And fifth, post purchase decision. After purchasing date, it should be happy by using your product. Factor affecting buying decision. First, environmental factors, organizational factor, personal factor, and interpersonal factors. Let's see in the detail. First, environmental factor. Environmental factor depends upon the market factors. In that, economic factor, second, technological factor, political and legal factors, and fourth, a social responsibility. Economic factor deals with the organization or a retailer or a manufacturer or a producer economy. According, he can able to sell his product or manufacture his product. Technological factor, he should be able to have such kind of technology to manufacture and able to sell the product. Third, political and the legal factors. Legal factor is deals with the licensing about the product and selling about the product. You should be able to have a government permission regarding this product. Social responsibility, you should have some social responsibility towards the market or towards the society. If you're making or if you are doing some kind of business which is not good for the society, you should think enough. Second, organizational factor. In organizational, buying objectives, buying policy, buying process, and buying organization. Organizational factor, in that the first, buying objectives. The different organization has a different buying objectives. Some organization give a priority to low price than high quality, and some organization gives a priority to the high quality than the low price. There are n number of product available in the market. Some of them have a some of deals with the high quality and with the low quality. Some organization are easy with the low quality of product at a low price, and some have do not compromise with their quality. Buying policy, some organization have adopted the centralized purchase policy. The centralized, each the purchasing departments will deal with the purchasing about the product. Buying process, the buying process is organized market, various across organization. The government market requires a sale bids. We have talked earlier about the bids means an auction process. Particular auctions are be given and you should able to give the bid indicates a low cost given by an individual. According जितने भी bids आए रहेंगे ना market से उनके पास, your bid should be at a lower cost and there should be high quality given in that. Buying organization, last, due to the centralized buying and decentralized buying system, the organizational buying differs a large extent in the term. If a large purchase commits or involved, the commitment involves, the buying become complex. ज़्यादा बल्क क्वांटिटी में रहेगा या बड़े लोग रहेंगे या मेनी बायर्स रहेंगे, द प्रोसेस becomes difficult in this case.